This is me, John Fernando. Yes, from Kimbo's Limbo Worlds, and I'm trying to get a Minecraft parody, and I want you guys to help me. This parody will be uploaded on my channel soon, and it's a Minecraft parody. So, hope you have some good ideas. I hope you do it. Give me some links to the songs. I have my guitar right here. I was still practicing. I'm still writing, but all that time I got nothing. So I hope you guys can help. And this is just, if you can, I would really appreciate if you could get some lyrics according to what I'm gonna play now. Okay, hope you enjoy. So guys, that's the tune. I'm gonna repeat that over and over, so it's gonna be a little different. So I hope you can get some lyrics to that. And yes, that's this video about. So hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys later.